Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Abhyas. In my last video I shared with you certain do's and don'ts at the dining table, and in this video today I would be talking to you about the cell phone etiquette, the handbag, the accessories which we generally tend to place at the dining table without knowing. So to begin with, the first and most important is that dining table is not the place for your cell phones, your handbags, your sunglasses, your mask, your car keys, all of that. So avoid taking such things to the dining table. You either need to place them in your handbag, and males can put their cell phones in their pocket. Before coming to the dining table, it's must that you put your cell phone on silent. And if you are expecting an important call, let your host know about it, and when it's time for you to take that call, just excuse yourself, go and attend that call, and then come back and join your group. Holding conversations and answering calls at the dining table is considered to be rude to the host and the other diners. It gives a kind of message that the person you are talking over the phone is more important to you than the people sitting and dining with you. There is an acceptable way of using mobile phones during dining. If you are expecting a call, I told you the way that let your host know or excuse yourself from the table and attend your call. If it's an emergency call, excuse yourself, leave the room, attend the call, and then come back and join the people you are dining with. There may be a situation when you have come out for dining but you have left children back home and you are concerned about their well-being, which is perfectly fine, and you can feel free to look at your phone or for any text message, for any calls from home, and in case you receive a call from home, excuse yourself and attend to that call and come back to the table. So every time if you are expecting any important call, and do that, I am using the word important, so just decide what's important for you and what's not important for you. Because meal time, whenever you are dining with your friends or family or otherwise at a formal place, that's a very quality time you spend with your known people. Don't spoil it by overusage of your phone unnecessarily, keeping yourself engaged and giving others a message that you are not present there. You are present there physically, but you are occupied. That's not a very good message, and it's a bad kind of etiquette. Doesn't give a very positive image of you in front of others. And when it comes to, if you have somebody has invited you but some of you are not able to join, and you decide, we all decide to place a group call to the person to let them know that you are missing them. It's all right to do so, but do so with everybody's permission, and only after you have placed your order, before your food comes, and or after everybody has finished, but not when everyone is eating. In between the meals, don't place a group call. Photographs. These days it has become a fashion, and it has become very important for all of us. We get engaged in clicking pictures with the people we are dining and at the place we are dining. It's fine, but again, inform your host about that. Just take a permission kind of thing from them so that they don't feel offended that you are busy clicking your pictures, taking your selfies, and do so when everyone on the table is comfortable with it, and don't be too involved with your selfies or use of your cell phone for photographs and all, and keep the photo session brief. That's the key to it. If at all you need to use your mobile phone for photographs and etc. Texting from the dining table. Taking your phone and texting to others also gives a message to the other diners that the person, you are still engaged. The person over the phone in conversation with you through the text is more important to you than the people who are sitting around you. And that's kind of very, very rude to the other diners who are sitting with you. So these are little things which I felt that it's important to share with you. And last but not the least, politeness. Politeness is the key to everything. So be polite to others and make them feel your presence by being there completely and not engaging yourself in your cell phones or in your photographs or any other thing, and talk to everybody on the table, give equal attention to everyone and make everybody feel important. That's the signs of a good diner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, do like it, subscribe and share my channel if you haven't. Thanks so much.